Developing a successful online coach mindset. People often think that they need some special insider knowledge to become a successful and profitable online coach. This is not the case. What you do need is the right mindset to make a success out of online coaching. You need to have the right plan and take the right action. Assuming that you are providing effective coaching sessions for your clients, that is all that you need. If you were to analyze a successful online coach, you would find that they have the following traits. They are confident. They have clarity. They have a mentality of abundance. They are always positive. Basically, successful online coaches have a magnetic personality. People are easily drawn to them and look forward to their coaching sessions with them. Take a look at Tony Robbins, for example. He has to be one of the most successful coaches of all time. So many people like him because of his magnetic personality. He started life as a janitor. Unfortunately, there are a number of online coaches that do not succeed. This is because they do not have the right mindset for success. They do not exude confidence, and as a result, they take the wrong action. Clients are not confident in their ability to deliver what they need. These coaches may be total experts in their niche, but this is not enough. If they do not have the right mindset to wow their clients, then they are going to struggle. Successful online coaches never appear desperate for business, even if they are. They are always certain that they can get the right result for their clients. The good news is that you can develop the right mindset to be a successful online coach. If you follow the advice in this video, then you will be well on your way. So let's take a look at the mindset changes that you need to make to be a profitable and in-demand online coach. 1. You have to be confident. People that hire you as their online coach expect you to be very confident in yourself and your abilities. They see you as their mentor and want to look up to you. If you don't have the right amount of confidence, then you are going to struggle to find and keep profitable coaching clients. You need to be confident in the way that you look and when you speak. One way to identify weaknesses in your coaching delivery is to record yourself providing a fake session. Use a video recorder so that you can play everything back and identify problem areas. Do this alone at first, and then you can find people that will provide you with honest feedback. Pay particular attention to the tone of your voice and your facial expressions. How do you greet your clients? If they ask you difficult questions, how do you respond? How is your body language during a session? Do you look attentive and ready to listen? 2. You have to have clarity. This starts with you being clear about what a successful online coaching business means to you. We all have different definitions of success, so you need to define your own and work out how this will look and feel to you. There's more to being a successful online coach than just money. Some people that have a lot of money are not happy with their lot in life. So we recommend that you do not make money your sole focus with your online coaching business. Think about how being a successful online coach means to you emotionally and spiritually. Once you know this, you can practice it all the time. There are many online coaches out there that make good money but are not happy. This is not a place that you want to be in. 3. You need to think solutions. Clients will come to you as an online coach because they are looking for solutions to their problems. You need to have the belief that you can provide a solution to any problem that your clients have. When you are first starting out, you may be hit with some questions that you were not expecting, so you need to handle this in the right way. Unfortunately, if people are paying you hundreds of dollars for your time and expertise, they're going to expect you to have all of the answers right away. If you don't know the answer to something, then you need to provide a credible response, such as, there are several ways that you could approach this. What you want to do here is buy some time so that you can come up with the right solution. When you first engage with your client, tell them that you are an expert and you are committed to finding the right solutions for them. Tell them that you may need to spend time after your call finding the most appropriate solution. You can find yourself getting into a negative thinking spiral if you cannot provide the solution that a client is looking for right away. It is essential that you do not let this overwhelm you and always believe that you can find solutions for every problem. 4. Adopt the right lifestyle mindset. Because it is easy to get started as an online coach, a lot of people make the mistake of diving in headfirst and then end up working crazy long hours for very little money. We recommend that you come up with a lifestyle plan before you open your doors for business. There are limits to what you will do. Working long hours for very little reward will soon grind you down. Think about the return on investment, ROI, you want from your online coaching business. This is not just financial. You need to think about time freedom and satisfaction too. If you are a prisoner to your online coaching business, then it is not going to last very long. So, think about the money that you want to make and also the free time that you want from your new online coaching business. Also think about what will give you the most satisfaction from being in this business. This could be helping others, for example. Once you have your lifestyle plan worked out, you can then decide how you will operate your online coaching business. You can choose what you will deliver to your clients and when, so that it supports the life that you desire. 5. Be goal-oriented. You need to set yourself challenging goals if you want to be a successful online coach. Standing still is not an option. It may be easy for you to share your knowledge with the world, but always be thinking about moving up to the next level. Don't stay in your comfort zone or you will never realize your potential. You need to embrace change and different challenges. Think big and set big goals. If you get too comfortable, then you can become complacent and your clients will notice this. What other ways can you further your online coaching business? Can you turn what you know into a successful digital product that you can sell for a high price? Or what about a membership website where clients pay you each month to view training videos that you have made and learn from other resources? 6. Be a collaborator. While it is possible to become a successful online coach on your own, you are likely to achieve a lot more by collaborating with others. Having the support of a good network will have a significant impact on your ability to attract new clients and increase your income. There are many different ways that you can collaborate with others. You can do a lot without having to travel anywhere. Find people that have authority blogs in your niche and work something out with them. Offer them a commission to advertise your coaching services. Write guest posts for their blog with a link back to your website. You can also find influencers on social media that will promote your business. These people have large followings and can instantly connect with people that you could never find on your own. So have a collaboration mindset to really grow your online coaching business. In the next video, we will discuss the essential steps that you need to take to develop a successful online coaching business.